Welcome to the Monkey Quiz channel with our little monkey, Coco. Get ready for some holiday fun with today's quiz. Find the odd one out, Nature Edition. It's the perfect chance to put your observation skills to the test. In today's video, Coco will give away a special gift to every viewer who comments on our videos. These are the viewers who have enthusiastically interacted with our videos. If you want Coco to highlight you in an upcoming Monkey Quiz video, participate in the challenge. If you're eager to begin, subscribe to our channel for more thrilling quizzes. Grab some hot chocolate, sit back, and dive into the Christmas spirit with Monkey Quiz. Can you find the odd strawberry in this list? The odd strawberry in this list is in column 2. Which emoji is the only one that doesn't match? That emoji is the only one that does not match. Can you guess the fruit by the emojis? It's a cherry! Can you identify the cherry that stands out? The cherry that stands out is in row 1. Which watermelon does not look like the others? You found the emoji that does not look like the others. Remember the position of all the emojis. Where is the cherry located? The cherry is located in the number 3 position. If you choose the blue button, please write down your favorite food. We'll honor you and help you to find people who have the same favorite food as you in an upcoming video. If you chose the pink button, press the like button 3 times and write down your birthday. We'll honor you in our next video. Which emoji is the odd one out in this grid? You got it! That's the different emoji. Can you guess the hidden fruit? That's right! It's grapes! Which one sticks out? The odd grapes are located here. Can you identify the emoji that doesn't belong? Well done! The odd avocado is in the second column. And now a real observation challenge. Let's find the avocado. Wow! Your eyes are so good! Can you find the unique emoji in this grid? The unique emoji is placed here. What fruit is this? Can you find the odd pineapple in this group? You got it! Spot the mismatched melon emoji in this group. You've nailed it! Which emoji does not fit with the rest? The odd emoji is right here. Can you see the odd peach? The odd peach is placed in the 6th row. Do you know what the hidden fruit is? That's a banana. Can you pick the one emoji that's not like the others? The only different banana is in column 4. Which pear seems out of place here? The emoji that doesn't match is in row 3. Let's guess the fruit without the consonants, and comment in the video down below to let Coco know. Look carefully. Which guava does not match? The guava that doesn't match is in row 4. Which banana is the unique one? The only different emoji is in column 5. Which emoji is the odd one in this table? You found the odd one in this table. Which emoji is different from the group? That pomegranate is different from the group. Which position was the passion fruit in? Do you remember? Great job! The passion fruit is in the number 5 spot. Can you spot the emoji that's different from the rest? The odd emoji is placed in the first row. Which kiwi does not belong in this pattern? You got it! Which emoji is the unique one in this grid? That mango is the unique one in this grid. Can you locate the emoji that stands out? You located the blueberry that stands out. Can you guess the hidden plant? It's a rose. Which rose does not belong in this set? The different emoji is in column 5. Can you find the emoji that looks wrong? The odd tulip is right here. Can you see the odd flower? The odd flower is placed in the 6th row. Which emoji does not fit in with the rest? The odd emoji is right here. Do you know this animal? It's a monkey. Which emoji does not fit in with the rest? Nice work! The odd emoji is placed in the 2nd row. Can you guess the hidden animal? That's a bear! Can you detect the odd bear emoji out of these? The odd bear is in the 4th row. Which emoji seems out of place here? The cat that doesn't match is in row 3. What is the main food of pandas? Pandas mainly eat bamboo, which makes up over 99% of their diet. Can you find the different panda? You found the odd emoji. Which emoji doesn't belong here? That dog doesn't belong in column 3. Can you find the different emoji? The odd emoji is right here. Which lion seems out of place here? The lion that doesn't match is in row 3. Can you point out the position of the lion? Well done! The lion is located in position number 1. Can you spot the distinct emoji here? You found the odd one! Nicely done! Can you name this animal? It's a squirrel! Which emoji stands out from the group? The unique emoji is placed in the 3rd row. Can you identify the emoji that's out of place? You identified the emoji that's out of place. Which emoji stands out by not repeating? Correct! That emoji only appears once. Can you find the unique rabbit in this grid? The unique rabbit is placed here. Which emoji is the odd one out? Correct! The odd dolphin is here. Can you find the odd polar bear in this list? Which emoji is the most different in this grid? You found the different elephant in the grid. Nice! Which animal is shown by these emojis? It's a kangaroo! Which emoji does not belong in this set? The different kangaroo is in column 5. Can you find the emoji that looks wrong? The odd emoji is right here. Can you see the odd deer? The odd emoji is placed in the 6th row. Which emoji does not fit with the rest? The odd hamster is right here. Thank you for participating in the puzzle challenge on the Monkey Quiz channel with our little monkey, Coco. You can click on the video currently displayed on the right or the left side of the screen. Join additional new challenges and become the winner. Don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to our channel for more quizzes and fun.